Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MySQL with Oracle easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Oracle MySQL website. Locate the downloads section on the home page. Select the MySQL community server option. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Click on the download link for the installer. After the download completes, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer to run it. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to proceed. The MySQL installer window will open. Select the installation type that best suits your needs. Choose between Developer Default, Server Only, Client Only, Full, or Custom. For most users, the Developer Default option is recommended. Click Next to continue. Review the list of products that will be installed. If everything looks good, click Next again. The installer will check for any requirements. If any are missing, follow the prompts to install them. Once all requirements are met, click Next to proceed. Select the MySQL server version you want to install. Click Next to confirm your selection. Now, configure the MySQL server instance. Select the configuration type, development machine, or production machine. Click Next to continue. Set the MySQL root password. Make sure to remember this password for future use. Optionally, you can create additional user accounts. Once done, click Next. Configure the MySQL server to start automatically if desired. Click Next to continue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.